Hello everyone. Today's question is permutation in string. Given two strings s1 and s2, write a function to return true if s2 contains the permutation of s1. In other words, one of the first string permutation is some string of the second string. Okay, let's move to the pen and paper and try to understand these questions and solution. This question is similar to this find all anagram questions. So basically everything is similar. So just find all anagram, you have to return the start index. Here you have to return, if it is matched you have to return the true. Okay, so let's understand what you have to do. You have to check this permutation of av is ab and ba. AB or BA is present in this string or not. If this is present, then you have to return true. Okay, let's check. We will check two element. We will check this. This is equals to this. No. And again we will check this. Two is equal to this. No. This two is equals to this. No. This two is equals to this. Yes, this two is equals to this. So simply we return true as our answer. No need to check the other element. Okay. How we implement it? Same thing. We will take a dictionary and then we will store this, because in this s1 string there is one a and one b. So we will take a dictionary. Inside this dictionary we store the count of uh, s2 string character. So first take e and store it. We check e is present in dictionary. No, is not present in dictionary, so we add e and assign a as a value, and then check I now I is 0. Iteratively we check all this element. I is 0 and we check I is greater than alien s1, means the length size of ab. A length size of AB is 2, so alien is minus 1 cause our loop is start from 0, so we use -1. So I is greater than, we always check this. If this is greater than, then we will remove the first element, means remove the, we always take two element. So whenever we take these two and there is no left element, so whenever we slide our window, means we take these two, so we will simply remove the e. Okay, so we reduce e when we take these two. When you take these two, so we eliminate this. Okay, so okay, our I is not greater than alien s minus 1. Now we will check dix value is equals to s1's permutation. No, this is not, so we will move to the next element. So our I is now 1. So we check I is not in dictionary, we assign I as 1. I is not greater than alien s1 minus 1. So we will not reduce any value from dictionary. So now we will check ei is equals to s1 permutation. No, this is not, so we will move to the next element. And now again our I is 2. We check D is present in dictionary, D is not present in dictionary, add D and assign one value, because D is not present in dictionary. We check I is greater than alien s minus 1. Yes, I is greater than. So what we will do, so because now we check these two, so we eliminate E, so we reduce -1 and we again check if the dictionary key value is 0, we will remove it from our dictionary. We already explained this in find all anagram questions. So now we will move to the next value, that is I equals to 3. I equals to 3. We check B is in dictionary. No, B is not in dictionary. We add B and value as a 1. And now we check I is greater than. Yes, I is greater than, because now I is 3. So what we will do, we will eliminate this e, so we reduce -1. Now our e is 0. So if e is 0, we will remove it from our I is 0. Sorry, I is 0. We remove it from our dictionary. We delete this key. Okay. Now we check our BD. BD is equals to our S permutation, S1's permutation. No, BD is not. So again we move to the next value. So that is A. We add A as 1 value, and we check I is greater than. Yes, I is greater than. So we remove the last element. Now we remove this one, cause now our slide window is pointing to BA. Okay, so D -1. Now D is 0. So if D is 0, then we will, if value is 0, then we will delete this key from dictionary. So now in our slide our value is BA, B1 time, A1 time. So we check this is matched with S1 permutation. Yes, this is matched with S1 permutation. We simply return true as our answer. So if the whole string doesn't contain any permutation of S1, we simply return false as our answer. I hope you understood these questions and solution too. Let's move to the implementation coding part. First, we will count the S1 character with the help of counter function collection dot counter S1. Here we count the character that is present in S1 string, and next we will take a dictionary for S2 string for I in range alien S2. So iteratively we check all character until we not get the permutation of S1. So if S2 is not present in dictionary, we will, if S2 is present, we will add this character in dictionary as a key and value as 1. If it is already present, then we will increase the value by 1. So if it is not present, then we will assign the value as a key, character as a key, and value as 1. If I is greater than alien S1 minus 1, then we will eliminate the last slide window first value. So we eliminate dix S2 S I minus alien S1 minus 1. We reduce the value by -1 from dictionary, and if the dictionary value is 0, then we check here. If the dictionary value equals to 0, we will remove it from dictionary, remove the key from dictionary. So delete dix S2 I minus alien I minus alien S1. So we remove, if the value is 0, if key value is 0, then we will remove it from dictionary. So if dix S2 is equals to dix S1, then we will return true. No need to check the further element. So if in dictionary no such permutation in of H1, then we will return false. Now we'll check code is working or not. It's running successfully and submit it. Yeah, got accepted. This question is exactly similar to this questions find all anagram. So if you want to solve these questions, please go to the description and watch this video. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.